Hello, welcome to Wise Things. Are you lost in your inventory tracking? Too many items to keep updated on? Gotta do a lot of data entry to maintain the store list updated and still not sure that what is showing in the list is actually there in the store? Or forgetting some items while placing an order is a everyday problem. Worry not, our connected inventory solution can solve all these problems for you and can do a lot more. Our solution places a Wi-Fi connected smart pallet under your inventory items. It takes the item weight at a regular interval and sends the information to your desktop or mobile phone over internet in near real time. So you can keep an eye on all your storage items sitting in your office or from anywhere in your mobile. You need not do any data entry whatsoever. The information can be collected from a moving vehicle as well. Not only that, our device can send you an SMS or an alert if some item is very low. It can create an order list for you or send the order directly to the vendor. It can do daily reconciliation against sales or material issue to detect any theft. It can also generate daily, monthly, and yearly consumption and refill report. For a visionary customer, it can do a lot more, like forecasting, order optimization, predictive ordering, and can save a lot of operational cost and headache. So save on your time and manpower cost in store management and concentrate peacefully on what matters more. To know more and arrange a live demo, please call us at 75066 or mail us at sales@wisethings.com. Thank you. Bye bye.